Good morning. We're in Montville today doing a pair of 9x with side-mounted openers. Let's go check it out.
All right, so by the time I got there, they had already taken out the openers. They had a chain and a belt. One door was partially stacked. Scott was getting ready to stack the next door. We had found out that the builders had pulled the doors out in one piece, which is never great because they're all lagged together as one 8x6 door. On this particular opening, they actually had gone from an 8-foot wide by 6'6" tall door to a standard 7-foot tall opening height. They actually raised the openings up. But we did have to deal with pulling these apart, which wasn't fun, especially in the rain, but no big deal, we took care of it. Back in here, check everything out. Moving along. Don't have a lot of headroom, but we have enough. And that's all that matters. It's for the torsion and the side-mounted openers. Sections all stacked, getting put together. Thing I left on this door is the glass. There's the side-mounted openers. Those are a nice option. Keep the whole ceiling clean, and that just turns the tube on the side for just having the drawbar in the middle of the garage. Torsion spring getting put together. Wireless wall buttons for by the walk-in door. Keep all the wires clean per the customer's request. So a lot of people ask me, what's the difference between a chain and a belt? Pretty simply, it's going to be noise. The chain, you're going to have that chain clacking against the rail. Or on the belt side, it's actually a steel reinforced rubber belt, so you don't get any of that clacking noise. And that eliminates a big part of the noise for someone who wants the garage to be a little bit quieter. Here Scott's tacking up his first track, making sure it's level and where it needs to be. Continue adding hardware to the door, center hinge, the end hinges, the rollers. Always Loctite your set screws on these side-mounted openers. There we go. Just about finished up. Just putting on some of the outside trim, cleaning things up. The side mount installed. Doors are up, programmed. Remote lights that these come with are installed. Got the wireless wall buttons up. As you can see, there's no wires, so it's nice and clean. Come down, nice, smooth. Really excited with the way these turned out. Check the outside. Looking good. Just a nice long panel with cascade glass from Amar.